Can I try unpacking the request in English? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you've probably heard quite often. Can I try? Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you navigate English-speaking environments more confidently. So, if you've ever hesitated before asking to participate or before attempting something new, this video will clarify when "Can I try?" is the perfect phrase to use. Can I try? Is a polite request used when you want to attempt to do something. This phrase is versatile and can be used in many different contexts. At its core, "Can I try?" expresses a desire to attempt an action while asking for permission at the same time. It's a respectful way to express your interest in something new, whether it's sampling food, using a new piece of equipment, or participating in a game or activity. In social situations, when you're with friends or meeting new people, "Can I try?" is a great way to show interest in what others are doing. It's a bridge to social interaction and learning. Whether you're asking to try a bite of someone's meal or to take part in a sport or game. At work or in professional settings. In the workplace, this phrase can demonstrate eagerness to learn and take initiative. You might use it when you want to offer help or show that you're ready to learn a new skill. In educational environments, for learners in school or any educational setting, asking, "Can I try?" indicates that you're engaged and proactive about learning. It shows educators and peers that you're interested in getting hands-on experience. You can add to this phrase to be more specific about what you want to try. For instance, "Can I try doing it this way?" when suggesting an alternative method. "Can I try on this dress?" when you're shopping for clothes. "Can I try out for the team?" when you're interested in joining a sports team or a group activity. Each variation still maintains the core values of respect and permission seeking that come with the base phrase. It's also helpful to know how to respond when someone asks you, "Can I try?" Here are some common responses. "Sure, go ahead. To give permission freely. Just a moment, please. If you need to prepare or consider the request. I'm sorry, that's not possible right now." If you have to deny the request for any reason, understanding these responses will help you anticipate what answers you might receive and how to proceed in the conversation. That's a wrap on our journey through the phrase, "Can I try?" We hope this video has helped shed light on how this simple question can open up opportunities and foster interactions in English. Keep practicing, keep trying new things, and remember, there's no harm in asking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.